The computer hosting the iCODA command center and the mobile device must be able to communicate in order to convey the device key for the command center to input. To activate an iCODA license to a remote device, the device must first send its device key to the iCODA command center, either by email, SMS, or other means. In the command center, click on the available iCODA activation from the licenses list to select it. It will be coloured green. The iCODA activation screen will open in the right-hand side. Copy the device key code from the email received from the device user into the device key field. You may also enter any comments in the free text field. These comments will be displayed with the user information when you click on an allocated iCODA license. Click the Activate button. The highlighted license icon will turn orange to indicate that it has been allocated and activated. It is able to be used at this point, but it will not display who the device user is. To display the device user in the licenses list, the device must log out of and relaunch iCODA. Next, in your command center, click the refresh button and the device user will be displayed. To deactivate an iCODA license in use by a mobile device which is not connected to your Wi-Fi network, click on the device name in the licenses list to highlight it. In the right-hand side, click on the Reclaim button. This will reclaim the activation license so that you will be able to assign it to another device.